CDT stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Conduit Pharmaceuticals, already 92 cents, 15% down. So where the heck are we heading next? I like the, not performance on Friday specifically, but the days before that, because it just broke up like crazy. Well, context, I've done 39,000 videos. I spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and all that is documented on my YouTube channel. Specifically with CDT, it's between whether the price is going to give me a double break or not. It's all there is to it, right? Like, this has not broken with a full candle close on like the 4 on daily chart. I actually did break, but honestly, just one break does not mean that much. So this is still, it's the same thing. Like, this is still going to be the no man's land. People get too excited with the one break, but most of the times those one breaks are just a fake outs. I'm not gonna assume those, so I'll definitely keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.